Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. How's your day? In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can unforget a Bluetooth device. So I have a lot of devices that I should probably unforget. I should probably forget, but if you accidentally forget a device, it's super easy. So go to the control center, go to Bluetooth here. Okay, let me just go to settings. Hopefully none of my Bluetooth is connected because the audio will go straight there. So enable it, and you're going to select Bluetooth. Then go to Bluetooth settings. As you can see, there's a lot. To forget it, select the information on not connected and select forget this device. And you're just going to do that until you have almost none left. For instance, it's not important. I have a lot because I change my headset a lot because they break a lot, and I don't go to different cars, but sometimes I use car Bluetooth and stuff, and it's good if you just remove it. And don't worry, because you can connect it again. That's what I'm trying to show you guys. So, almost done. Okay, I'm going to enable the Bluetooth, and there won't be any more audio because I'm going to be moved to my headset. But if I turn my Bluetooth headset again, I can just press it to connect it. So here, watch. As you can see, the Bluetooth will reconnect again, and the device you'll need to remember the Bluetooth will be there again. So that is it for this video. Hopefully it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, as I do all the time. Well, not all the time, but I try. And that is it for this video. If it was helpful, please give this video a share to your friends that may need it for their Bluetooth connection issues. That is it. Thank you so much, and have a nice day. Goodbye.